An ECC file is an error correction archive created by DVDisaster, a safeguard designed to help you recover data from damaged or deteriorating disk images. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll walk you through how this protection works. Just a heads up, the best strategy against tricky ECC errors is having a dedicated viewing program. I'll reveal more about my favorite tool towards the end. An ECC file is an error correction code file generated by DVDisaster, an open-source data recovery tool. It stores redundancy data for optical disk images, enabling the recovery of corrupted or damaged sectors in CD, DVD, or Blu-ray image files. ECC files are generated using Reed-Solomon error correction algorithms within DVDisaster. They store parity blocks calculated from the original disk image data. The error correction capacity and file size depend on the redundancy level set during ECC file creation. The guiding principle for opening ECC is to use DVDisaster from Karsten Norlick. Windows needs confirmation from specialized software for safe data access. Windows can't expand backup archives, so specialized backup software must be used for review. Your reliable starting move is the Open With action. Right-click the ECC file and select Open With. If DVDisaster is installed, use it. If not, choose another program. We must find the app that claims the file. If the ECC file won't open, don't panic. Since this ECC format is so specific, basic errors are common. Don't worry, we just need to verify a few key details before moving on. Let's go to our checklist. First, use DVDisaster to repair disk images. Open DVDisaster and load your original disk image file along with the corresponding ECC file. Navigate to the Error Correction tab and click Fix to begin the repair process. DVDisaster will use the ECC data to reconstruct any damaged or unreadable sectors in the image. Next, verify ECC file integrity. First, before attempting repairs, use DVDisaster's verify function to assess the extent of disk image damage and confirm the ECC file is intact. This scan produces a detailed error report showing which sectors are damaged and whether the ECC data is sufficient for full recovery. Finally, check DVDisaster version compatibility. If DVDisaster cannot read the ECC file, ensure you are using the same or a newer version of DVDisaster that was used to create the file. Older ECC files may use different redundancy formats. Download the latest version from the DVDisaster project site if needed. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. A helpful next step is to try a utility that attempts to bypass standard file associations by using raw-level data inspection to better identify the file's likely origin. When your file is still locked, it means the file's header or structure is truly obscure. Don't waste time. FileMagick is built for this. It opens hundreds of formats and can be found at filemagick.com. Don't forget to like this video and tap the subscribe button for instant access to future solutions.